Smart locks are the perfect way to add convenience and security to your home. Here, we will look at how smart locks work, the different types available, and the top picks for the best smart locks for 2023. With the right smart lock, you can make your home more secure and easier to access. So let's get started. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best smart locks in current market. So let's get started. Number 5. Wyze Lock Smart Door Lock. The Wyze Lock Wi-Fi and Bluetooth-enabled smart door lock is the perfect solution for those looking for a convenient and secure way to protect their home or office. This smart lock is designed to work with both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth-enabled devices, giving users the freedom to access it from anywhere. With its built-in keypad, users can easily set individual PIN codes for multiple users and manage access remotely via the Wyze app. The app also allows users to set schedules and receive notifications when someone unlocks or locks the door. Additionally, the Wyze Lock is equipped with a 9V battery backup system, making sure the lock remains operational even in the event of a power outage. With its sleek design and advanced security features, the Wyze Lock Wi-Fi and Bluetooth-enabled smart door lock is the ideal choice for those looking for an efficient and reliable way to protect their home or office. Number 4. eufy Security S230 Smart Lock. The eufy Security S230 Smart Lock Touch and Wi-Fi is the perfect way to secure your home or business with style and ease. This smart lock is designed with convenience and modern style in mind and allows you to unlock your door with a simple touch or using your smartphone. The lock features a sleek and modern design with a stainless steel finish that blends in with any decor. The lock is equipped with Wi-Fi connectivity and is compatible with both Android and iOS devices. The eufy Security S230 Smart Lock Touch and Wi-Fi also includes an anti-key password feature which allows you to enter a unique code of your choice instead of a traditional key. The lock also includes a tamper alarm and an auto-lock feature, both of which are great for added security. With its smart design, convenience, and secure features, the eufy Security S230 Smart Lock Touch and Wi-Fi is the perfect way to protect your home and valuables. Number 3. Google Nest X Yale Lock. The Google Nest X Yale Lock is the perfect solution for those who are looking for a way to secure their home without sacrificing convenience and ease of use. This lock combines the advanced security features of Yale, the world leader in door locks, with the intuitive technology and user-friendly design of Google Nest. This lock allows users to control access to their home with their smartphone, voice commands, or even through a traditional key. It also offers a range of advanced security features such as tamper-resistant construction, encrypted access codes, and built-in alarm systems. Additionally, the Google Nest X Yale lock also seamlessly integrates with other Nest devices and services, such as Google Assistant and Nest Aware. With this lock, you can have peace of mind knowing that your home is secure and that you can access it with ease. Number 2. August Smart Lock Plus Connect Wi-Fi Bridge. The August Smart Lock Plus Connect Wi-Fi Bridge is the perfect solution for anyone looking to upgrade their home security. This smart lock allows you to control who has access to your home, even when you're not there. The Wi-Fi bridge allows you to lock and unlock your door from anywhere using the August app. You can also grant access to friends and family, set up schedules and notifications, and even check who's coming and going from your home. Plus, the August Smart Lock Plus Connect Wi-Fi bridge is compatible with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit, so you can control your lock with voice commands. With this smart lock, you'll never have to worry about giving out a key again. Keep your home safe and secure with the August Smart Lock Plus Connect Wi-Fi bridge. Number 1. UltraLock U-Bolt Pro Smart Lock. The UltraLock U-Bolt Pro Smart Lock is a secure, keyless entry system that gives you complete control over who can access your home. The lock is made from heavy-duty, weather-resistant stainless steel and can be easily installed in minutes. It works with your existing deadbolt, so you don't have to worry about replacing the entire lock. The U-Bolt Pro is equipped with advanced fingerprint and keypad access, so you can choose between using a code or your fingerprint to unlock your door. It also features anti-peep technology, which prevents anyone from deciphering your code by looking over your shoulder. You can also use the UltraLock app to control and monitor your lock from anywhere. You can check the status of your lock, see who accessed your door, and even grant access to family, friends, or visitors with a few taps. Plus, you can be sure that your home is secure with the U-Bolt Pro's bank-level encryption and auto-lock technology. The Ultralock U-Bolt Pro Smart Lock is the perfect solution for keeping your home safe and secure.